Hello and welcome. You are looking to start a home-based business, right? Well, there are thousands of opportunities out there, but the question is, which one is stable, unique, and really provides serious income generation? Well, how about a business with no competition at all? How about a business which targets a $100 billion market that no other networking company covered ever? Pet Protector is what you are looking for. Why? We have a unique, revolutionary product that is absolutely irreplaceable for pets worldwide. We have a $100 billion market that no one else is working except our exclusive international representatives. We have a complete online affiliate system ready for you with the most powerful compensation plan of 85% of total profit paid out to our representatives. We have the easiest strategy ever to help you start earning today and build your stable base of rising residual income. And we have a 15-day free trial for you, so you can start right now with absolutely no expense. Here's a sneak peek of our members area. We'll teach you how you will make a $20,000 residual monthly profit in your third month. Simply put your name and email address below this video so we can redirect you to detailed information. And keep an eye on your mail inbox. We'll send you very important instructions. Grab your position in a business without competition and let our top earners help you start making profits today.